Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Lazada OC03 error on your Lazada app or website. First, check the number of items in your cart. If you have many of the same item or many different items, try reducing the quantity. Remove items one by one and then try to check out again. Sometimes the app does not allow too many items at once, and reducing the cart can clear the OC03 error. If the problem still appears, update your Lazada app to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone. Search for Lazada and tap Update if it is available. An outdated app can cause errors at checkout. You can also try logging out and logging back in. Go to your account settings inside the app, find the logout option and confirm. After a short wait, log in again with your details. If none of these steps fix the problem, you may need to contact Lazada customer support. In the app, go to Help Center or Customer Support, start a live chat, and explain that you are getting OC03 when trying to check out. Tell them what you have tried already. Thanks for watching.